Guys, Canada is still opening doors for foreign workers and families through several immigration and work permit pathways that many people are ignoring right now. And here's the mind-blowing part. Some pathways may not require IELTS at the initial stage if you're applying through certain employer-sponsored routes or work permit programs. So if you're watching from India, Nigeria, or anywhere else, don't sleep on this opportunity. Canada is dealing with a major demographic challenge. That's why provinces and employers continue looking for qualified international workers. And here's what many people miss. Canada's immigration system isn't just about bringing workers. It's about bringing families. Many work permit pathways allow spouses to work and children to attend school. You don't just focus on getting a job. You focus on creating a long-term pathway for your entire family. For sectors hiring in Canada now. 1. Healthcare and caregiving. Healthcare remains one of Canada's biggest labor shortage sectors. Popular positions include caregiver, personal support worker, healthcare assistant, registered nurse. Average salaries, $45,000 to over $110,000 per year depending on experience and licensing. 2. Transportation and logistics. Canada relies heavily on transportation and logistics. Roles include truck driver, delivery driver, warehouse supervisor. Average salaries, $50,000 to $95,000 annually. Transportation and logistics remain among the sectors with ongoing workforce demand. 3. Skilled trades and construction. Guys, this is one sector many immigrants overlook. Roles include electrician, carpenter, plumber. Average salaries, $60,000 to $120,000 yearly depending on specialization and province. Skilled trades continue to be listed among Canada's high-demand sectors. 4. Agriculture and food processing. Canada's agriculture industry continues hiring foreign workers. Popular jobs include farm worker, greenhouse worker, harvesting assistant. Average salaries, $40,000 to $75,000 annually. How to apply step by step. Step 1. Prepare a Canadian-style CV. Create a professional resume. Focus on skills, work experience, certifications, achievements. Avoid unnecessary personal information. Keep it clean and professional. Step 2. Search for verified jobs. Use official and trusted platforms. jobbank.gc.ca, ca.indeed.com. Provincial nominee program websites. Step 3. Attend interviews. Prepare for virtual interviews. Practice answering questions confidently. Research the company. Understand the role. Show enthusiasm. Step 4. Receive a job offer. Once an employer selects you, they may begin the necessary processes required for hiring a foreign worker where applicable. Every case is different. Always follow official government instructions. Step 5. Bring your family. This is where things become exciting. Depending on the pathway and your circumstances, your spouse may qualify for work authorization. Your children may be able to attend school. Guys, Canada remains one of the most family-friendly destinations for international workers. The opportunities are still there. But the people who succeed are usually the ones who start preparing before everyone else. Start building your CV. Start researching opportunities. Start positioning yourself today. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which sector interests you most. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next relocation opportunity. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.